Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, we have very special shopping episode because we are going back at Louis Vuitton's flagship store. I'm so excited to check out their latest collection. This is the first time that I will be seeing the Stardust Collection plus lots of other bags, and of course I will be including the prices. So hope you enjoy our episode for today. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Hi guys, so our first shop for today is Louis Vuitton. So let's just pass by. Like what I mentioned, I didn't make any appointment with my CA, but I just wanted to check in person if we already have the Stardust collection. So hope you enjoy today's episode. Here guys, the Batch collection there. So we have this vintage looking Louis Vuitton bag. Comes with a pen, small charm. There's some ready to wear. By the way guys, hope you can hear me. So we have here very beautiful Louis Vuitton twist bag. They have here guys the Capucines, the Queen, guys, we are here at LV and look what we have here. We have Steven. Hi Steven! Hi! Thank you for being so kind and nice to see you again.
Nice to see you as always.
Yes, thank you.
Oh wow, just look how beautiful are these Neo Noe from the Stardust collection. Then we have here the multi-pochette in 2 different colors. What do you think of them guys? Alright, so more of the Stardust collection. We have here beautiful colors of Alma BD. We have Capucines. Again, taking a look at this Neo Noe. I love the Nano Neo Noe. We have here some Louis Vuitton jewelries. Such beautiful display at Louis Vuitton. Love the colors of their spring-summer collection. Just look at these beautiful bags. More ready to wear here. Love this very beautiful bright fuchsia pink. This bright pink Louis Vuitton twist bag is so gorgeous, don't you think? So we have here more shoes from Louis Vuitton. I'm not really a fan of this one, a little bit too pointy for my taste. What do you think? More sneakers from LV. These are beautiful colors. How about the charms on these laces? I'm not really sure if they're fully detachable, but they look so good. This one, love the Ampon color. Louis Vuitton beautiful summer sandals. Love this one. We have here neutral colors. What do you think of this colorway? Beautiful, right? We have here in gray. So just checking again on this very beautiful bright pink Louis Vuitton twist bag. Super gorgeous. Just look at the inside, also pink. I am loving these type of sandals. What do you think, guys? So it's for 47,800 pesos. We have here more shoes from Louis Vuitton. Let me know, guys, if you're loving anything here. This one, I super love these sandals. Reminds me of Versace heels. Don't you think, guys? Maybe that's why I'm drawn to it. Love the gold color. Wow, so gorgeous. For 50,500 Philippine pesos. We have here more footwear from Louis Vuitton. Ooh, how about these dad sandals? Super nice. Have here some some tongs rather. Some puffer sandals. Espadrilles. So let's check out this beautiful shoe. So 70,000 pesos for this. Here we have another one. 62.5. Again, the pointy sneakers. I'm not really sure, but I'm not a fan, to be honest. So it costs 55,000. I'm not sure if this is part of the Stardust Collection, so that's 50,000. So let's check out what they have at Louis Vuitton Flagship store. They have sunnies, they have the Dauphine belts, more ready to wear here. And how about this super gorgeous tweed Louis Vuitton jacket? 261k. Wow, so gorgeous. I've seen Heart Evangelista wore this. Some more jacket from Louis Vuitton, pants, some compass or display for your tabletop. How about the Louis Vuitton trunks here for your watches? Ooh, cute one. I'm not really sure what's his name. More ready to wear. At the Flagship store, you could have your pieces customized. So we have here an artisan working on some Louis Vuitton pieces. Look at the gorgeous arch he is doing. Super cute. Love this. Love, love, love. Louis Vuitton Swiss with very beautiful and colorful trunks, more twist bag. So let's check more what they have. So it's just me caught live working in action, checking out the Louis Vuitton display. So we have here ready to wear from the Match collection. So we have here dresses, shirts, and pants. Guys, how beautiful is this Neo Noe? Wow! I think if I'm not mistaken, the price is around 180k. Super gorgeous. I love the tree paints. I love how thick the leather is, right? Love that it's giving us 3D effects. Super gorgeous. Love, love, love. So we have here Felici pochettes, some card holder, another Felici pochette in epi leather, more card holder and belts. Let's check out the beautiful costume jewelry. I'm actually loving the earrings. I want to have that one day in my collection. We have here the belts, more earrings and necklaces, and I think that's a bracelet. These are the earrings that I love. What do you think, guys, of Louis Vuitton's costume jewelry? Are they a good buy, or should we just pass on them? Beautiful bandos here. Let's check out what they have. So we have here huge scarves, more Louis Vuitton twists. Is anyone fan of Louis Vuitton twist bags here? Here we have more Louis Vuitton belt. For those who are asking which one is your favorite, please let me know. This reminds me of the Chanel Sunnies. So gorgeous, right? Some Capucine eye candies here. What do you think? Again, at the Stardust Collection wall, which one is your favorite from this collection, guys? Me, I'm loving the Neon Away. So we have here more SLGs, some Dauphine wallet on chain. Let's check out more beautiful footwear from LV. Love this Bottega green color, super love. This one is kind of cute too. What do you think? How about these crystal encrusted sneakers for 267K? Wow. Cute color. We have here the demi prints. Super fun and playful, ready to wear for men's. Super beautiful. Love these blue color here, super gorgeous. How about this messenger bag? Anyone a fan? It comes with the key cling. So we have here Louis Vuitton trunk bags. I'm not really sure if they're also like the petite malle, but for men's. Super gorgeous, right? Love this one in monogram. We have here Keepa 45, if I'm not mistaken. More shoes for men. Ooh, the sparkle, guys. Does anyone have this? Can anyone verify whether the crystals would fall off or not? I'm very curious about that. So we have here some cap, then some Keepa X's. Which one is your favorite, guys? So we have here some more SLGs for men's. Here we have some card holders. Ooh, love this one. This one, guys, for your sporting needs, Louis Vuitton still has you covered. We have helmets, we have cup holder, we have skateboard even. Wow. So we have Louis Vuitton watches. Guys, guess what I found? I wasn't expecting this one. It looks like the Pochette Voyage because I was at the men's section, and I was right. The difference is it already comes with a shoulder strap, and it comes with, I think, a key holder or a card holder or a key clay. This one, super nice. I'm not really sure of the price. I think around 70 to 90K. So more Louis Vuitton eye candies. We have here that gorgeous alma and caramel color. Ooh, super love the color of this one. Plus it comes with a free card holder. What do you think, guys? I'm not really sure of the name here. Please someone comment down below what the name of this bag is. This one, I'm actually thinking about this bag so that my petite sac plat has a mommy. What do you think, guys? More sunnies from Louis Vuitton. Are you liking anything here? Please comment down below. Alright, one last look at the Stardust Collection. So we have here again the multi-pochette. Which color is your favorite? I think they have three. So we have the green, the pink, and then this brown one. I'm not really sure, but I'm kind of liking this brown version. Or maybe it's just because of this beautiful nano neon waist. She is super cute. I love the new version of this one. So we have here the regular Noe, a pochette Kozan. So we have here more SLGs.
Look at this wall, guys. Made of Louis Vuitton pants.
Hi guys, so we have just finished at Louis Vuitton. So we just walked in and we got to see the Stardust Collection and a few more beautiful bags. Actually, it's a bit surprising because I've been hearing bad comments regarding the Stardust, but seeing it in person, it looks actually really beautiful, and the iridescent shine is really beautiful. So hope you enjoyed today's episode, guys.
Enjoy our shopping episode for today. So among the wide selection of bags, shoes, and accessories that I've shown you guys, which one is your favorite? Have you seen, guys, the other Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch from the men's section that I've seen? OMG. So if you want this one, please do check out your local Louis Vuitton store or check with your CA. Alright, so before we end our episode for today, guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. Click this one, guys, so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Premiere52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in this episode for today. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please do stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!